गोजोन्थों नोंथांमोनखौ आंनि गोसो गोरबोजों बरायनानै लाग्रोनाय थाबाय। बे समाव नोंथांमोननि गेजेराव आङो लाबोनो सानदों जोंनि रायजो सभानि एमपि दैथायहरजानाय जे रोंगोरा नार्जारी बिथांनि बाथ्रा बुंनाय आरो मणिपुरनि सासे एमपिनि बुंनाय सानैनि बाथ्राखौ नोंथांमोना कम्पेयार खालामनानै नाय। सोर सासेया गावनि रायजोनि थाखाय गावनि जायगानि थाखाय गावनि लेन्डनि थाखाय बाथ्रा बुंदों रायजो राजाफोर आरो बिसिबां स्ट्रं आङो नुनो मोनदों। रायजो राजाफोर दिनैहाय जोंनि साथामबो एमपिफोरनि गेजेरावहाय माबाफोरखौनो होन दिनैहाय जयन्त बसुमतारीखौनो होन रोंगोराखौनो होन दिलीप सयखियाखौनो होन नरेन्द्र मदिखौ मान होनाय आरो बेबायदिनो प्रमद बर'खौ मान होनाय आरो बेबायदिनो मा होनो हेमन्त बिश्व शर्मा बिथांमोनखौ मान होनायजोंनो गाव गावनि टाइमखौ बारहोलांनाय आरो गासैखौबो मोजां हिन्दी भाषा रोङै आरो गासैखौबो लिरनानै फरायनाय बेबायदिखौ नुनो मोनदों। लिरनानै फरायबाय दिनैहाय बिथांमोना बड'लेण्डनि मोनसेबो बाथ्रा बुङै मोनसे पइन्टआ बड'लेण्डनि थाखाय ओंखारदों। रायजो राजाफोर बड'लेण्डआवबो दैबानाजों लोमफबजानानै बोसोरफ्रोमबो जेंनायाव गोग्लैनो गोनां जायो। बिथाङा बेबायदि बाथ्राखौ फंसे ओंखारदों। नाथाय बिटिआरनि इमप्लिमेन्टेसननि एक्स एनडिपिआरनि थाखाय बिटिआर जे मोनबाय आरो बिथांमोननि थाखाय बिथाङा रायजो सभायाव फाथायहरजाबाय बिथांमोनहा दिनैसिमबो बिटिआरनि बाथ्राखौ दिनै मोजाङै बिथांमोनहा दैखोआखै। नरेन्द्र मदिखौ इसोर बायदि बाथ्रा दैखांनायखौ जोङो नुनो मोनदों। रायजो राजाफोर गाव गावनि गाद्दिखौ नेक्स्टनि बारनि थाखाय टिकेटनि थाखाय सिन्था खालामनानै दोननाय बेबायदि लामाखौसो जोङो नुनो मोनदों। नोंथांमोना गासैबो उइदाउट स्किप भिडिअखौ नायलांखांनायनि गेजेरजों नोंथांमोनहा कमेन्ट खालामहर जोंनि बिटिआरआवहाय जा प्रमद बर' मानगोनां दैदेननाय जा जे UPPL सरकाराव UPPL बिजेपि सरकाराव जोंनि बिटिआर बा जोंनि बिटिसिआव बिथांमोननिफ्राय साबसिन मानसि गैलामोन नामा? इंलिश हिन्दी गोरों रिडिं फरायग्रा मानसिखौल' मोनबायमोन नामा? बे मोनसे जोंनि बिटिआरनि थाखाय जोबोद दुखुनांथाव बाथ्रा। रायजो राजाफोर थांनाय 10 बोसोराव जेरै लस जाबाय होननानै जोङो बिराद बयबो बुंदोंमोन। नाथाय दाबो सेम प्रसेस बिथांमोनखौ हरदोंब्लाबो मुर्ति बायदिल' जादों होननानै आङो सानो। रायजो राजाफोर मुर्ति बायदिल' दिनै बिथांमोना बुंनो रोङाथाय रोङा। दिनै प्रमद बर' बिथांमोना बिराद सालथाबना बिराद बाथ्रा बुङो बिथांमोना मानगोनां प्रमद बर' बिथांमोना दिनै बिथांमोना गासैखौबो वाट्सएपजों बिथांमोना लिरनो हायो। जुदि दिल्लीयाव बिथांमोनजों थांनो हायाब्लाबो बाय फननि गेजेरजों मा बुंनांगौ मा बुंनाङा गासैबो लिरनो हायो। नाथाय दिनै बिथांमोनहा गाव गावनि गाद्दिखौ गिनानै गुबुन हारिया बड'लेण्डनि बाथ्राखौ बुङोब्ला बहर होनाय नङा नामा? बेखौ साननायनि गेजेरजों बिथांमोनहा दिनैहाय बाथ्रा दैखाङा दिल्लीयावबो दैखाङा आरो जोंनि जे बिटिसिनि गेजेरावबो बिथांमोना मिथिं दावथिं जेबो दैखांनायखौ जोङो नुनो मोनाखै। नोंथांमोना कम्पेयार खालामनानै नाय गावनि माबानि थाखाय मणिपुरा लेन्डनि थाखाय मणिपुरनि थाखाय बिराद बिखा गाबखांनायनि गेजेरजों बिथांमोना हस्रिखाव इन्डियान गभर्नमेन्टखौ नायनो थाखाय खेल लानो थाखाय बिथांमोनहा खावलायनायखौ जोङो नुनो मोनदों। रायजो राजाफोर नोंथांमोना उइदाउट स्किप गासैखौ नायलांखांनायनि गेजेरजों कमेन्ट खालामहर नोंथांमोना नायलांदो।
Manipur is the lowest per capita income bearing state and the highest inflation. How do you expect a state that is lowest in income and paying highest prices to survive? You already have a conflict. We've had the worst floods in the last 35 years, unprecedented floods that we have ever seen in the last 35 years. And the Honorable Finance Minister, she grins from ear to ear, she smiles and she places a budget that is anti-people. Madam, you don't need rocket science to understand dynamics of what is people-friendly, and that goes against the interests of a nation. Madam Chairperson, सुनने में तो बहुत अच्छा है, प्रधानमंत्री जी बोलते रहता है, वह सब बोलता है भाजपा में, जहां मोदी जी है सब मुमकिन है और सब हो सकता है। जहां जहां मोदी जी है सब दिलाएंगे, न्याय दिलाएंगे। कहां है मणिपुर का न्याय? आज कहां है? हम पूछना चाहते हैं। मेरा अपना प्रधानमंत्री जी है, मेरा परिवार, मेरा रिश्तेदार ये देश बनाने में अपना खून बहाया है। We deserve an equal budget. It is my right. मेरा हक है मेरा जो इलेक्ट्रेट है उनने विश्वास के साथ जो हमको यहाँ भेजा है आज, not to come and listen to bashans, neither is it to come and listen to all fictitious figures that is brought before this august house. This nation, Madam Speaker, I have been brought up to believe is bigger than individuals. Madam Chairwoman, what has happened in my state of Manipur in the last 15 months? This is no joke. Since the coming of the NDA government in 2014, every single day or week has not gone by when we have not seen a union minister in Manipur. Every single week we would see a union minister. Where are they today after the 3rd of May 2023? अपना प्रधानमंत्री जी से हम पूछना चाहता है, मेरा दिल कहता है सच आदमी है प्रधानमंत्री जी, सच करना चाहता है, दिल में खुलासा है, तगड़ा वाला प्रधानमंत्री है, हमको समझ में आता है, 56 इंच कहीं नहीं, लेकिन उसको समझदार है कि अपना देशवासी हो, अपना नागरिक लोग मणिपुर में अभी खाना पीना तक भी नहीं मिल रहा है, रेफ्यूजी कैंप में 15 महीना, किसको पुकारो, किसको बोलो? अपना मुख्यमंत्री से आप पूछ लीजिए, वही खुद दिन भर दिन उसका मुंह से जो शब्द निकलता है सिर्फ मारने का, पीटने का। क्या है ये मेरा देश है क्या? मेरा परिवार ये देश देखने के लिए थोड़ी ना सैक्रिफाइस किया है मैडम? मेरा हक बनता है आज की मेरे को न्याय दिलाइए, नीति साफ कीजिए, नीयत साफ कीजिए, प्रधानमंत्री और गृह मंत्री जी साफ सुधर करके मणिपुर आइए। आपका देशवासी है हम लोग सब भारतीय नागरिक हैं। आप क्यों नहीं आना चाहते हैं हमारा पास? आपको मन की बात 10 साल सुनते आया है, 10 years we have listened. Can you not even hear the cries of the women and the children who cannot go back to their homes in one state, a small state, 30 lakh population here, madam? The LOP came to Manipur. We were given an audience with the Honorable Governor at 5 p.m. on the 8th. I was also part of that delegation. We gave suggestions, and I gave 2 clear suggestions on how to bring peace to Manipur. I think it has not been acted upon because Manipur, you have taken it as not part of this nation. That day I had very clearly said, the Nagas are not part of this conflict. We are neutral to this issue. We had requested the Rajapal to take the help of the Naga leaders, the Naga community leaders, and send them out to the Kuki as well as to the Mete areas to usher in peace, to start with that. That day we had given that suggestion. Secondly, it was very clear in our suggestion we had said, the person who is spreading this, one community is saying that the chief minister has originated this entire conflict. You can at least, madam, you have another 49 more members in your kitty in the state, other than the chief minister. The honorable prime minister, I'm sure, can replace him immediately with no questions asked. My question is, madam, is it so difficult to replace one man and bring peace to our area? This budget that Nirmala Sitharamanji has placed before us, she has talked about tourism in the rest of the country. She has mentioned nothing about tourism going to the northeast. If you see, madam, if you go to any prestigious or any hospitality sector in the rest of the country, you will see youngsters from the northeast everywhere. It is all our youngsters, jobless in the northeast. Had tourism been encouraged in the northeast, in the budget there is not a single mention. I would like for the honorable finance minister to add the northeast in a tourism map and include that they will encourage and bring forth tourism to such an extent that our people do not have to look to the...
धन्यवाद सर, आपने 2024-25 का यूनियन बजट के ऊपर बोलने के लिए मुझे मौका दिया है। मैं आसाम से हूँ, यूनाइटेड पीपल्स पार्टी लिबरल से मैं बजट को स्वागत करता हूँ और सपोर्ट भी मैं करता हूँ। सर, आई बिलीव any country's journey of development depends on capability of well-designed fiscal management. Budget is the lifeline of country's development. In India, a country of more than 140 crores of population. Marvelously, the people of India have chosen India government for the third consecutive term with a clear mandate to run the government under the leadership of Narendra Modi ji, which is historic and rare in the world of political history. I thank to the Honorable Finance Minister for a comprehensive, people's development oriented and of course clear and powerful budget presentation with guarantee of India to occupy position of third largest economy in the world in years ahead, which is dream of Narendra Modi ji and the aspirations of people of India, that is Viksit Bharat. Taking into account the people's mandate and pursuit of Viksit Bharat, this budget focusing on four major castes, namely poor, women, youth, farmers, determined to realize nation's development. The 9 priorities envisaged in the budget by the Finance Minister is showcase of its clarity and vision for develop India, and it visualizes comprehensive policy of generate robust scope for the benefits of all sections of the people. Focus on employment, scaling, MSMEs and middle class will take India on a further height of prosperity. On this occasion, sir, I would like to thank Honorable Prime Minister for taking holistic approach for enlisting the Assam Sayao Madams in the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Thanks to the Chief Minister of Assam, Sri Himanta Biswa Sarma, for your untiring effort for making Sayao Madam to receive their prestigious UNESCO tag. Sir, the effort of Government of India to build up extensive economic and strategic relations with the nations of Southeast Asia through AGS policy, which boosts up development opportunities for the northern states of India. Sir, budget for flood management in Assam is most sought after and need of the hour for the people of Assam. Flood has always been enemy and a matter of great concern for the people of Assam every year. Assam has to combat flood with extra and unwanted burden amidst developmental works undertaken with state's budget. The Brahmaputra Valley and the Barak Valley have always been mostly affected during monsoon season. In the Brahmaputra Valley, several numbers of transborder rivers like Sonkos, Arai, Manas, Beki, Pagladia and many more rivers flowing down from Bhutan have been causing unmanageable damage to the downstream area of Assam, particularly in the Bodoland area. Therefore, sir, in this juncture, I want the people of Assam warmly welcome the most sought after budgetary assistance for combating the flood, which will be game changer. Apart from flood assistance, sir, a total of 7,796.16 crores of rupees budgetary outlay has been enhanced for the development of Assam and northeastern region. Some of the remarkable budget outlays are 1,000 crores for welfare of tea workers, especially for women. Increase in special package for Bodoland Territorial Council from 100 crore to 174.66 crores. Increase in budgetary outlay for development of tea board 135 crores to 721.5 crores. 100 additional India Post Payment Bank branches to be opened in the Northeast. Roads infrastructure will be constructed through PMGSY. Tribal areas of states will be bolstered under a Pradhan Mantri Janajatiya Unnat Gram Abhijan. Sure. In the railway sector also, Government of India have undertaken remarkable projects for infrastructure development and connectivity of railway in the northeastern region. Sir, I want to highlight some glimpses of the initiative taken by the then UPA government and the present NDA government in railway sector of the northeastern region. The annual average budget outlay for Assam and northeastern region under UPA regime from 2009 to 14 was only 2,122 crores, whereas under NDA regime till 2024, the budget allocation has gone up to 10,376 crores, which is 5 times than UPA. Construction of new track during UPA from 2009 to 14 was only 67 kilometers, whereas during NDA from 2014 to 2024, it has gone up to 173 kilometers. Apart from that, sir, a total of 18 new projects construction of 1,368 kilometer railways track with budgetary allocation of 74,972 is undergoing in northeastern region.
You have to conclude, please. Time is
60 stations will be developed as Amrit station. Arunachal 1, Assam 50, Manipur 1,
conclude,
Meghalaya 1, sub 30 seconds. Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim 1 is and Tripura 4. Sir, 470 rail flyovers and under bridges construction since 2014 by India government. This will definitely bolster the economy of Northeastern region as well as sign of love and affection towards the people of Northeastern region. That's sir, I would say this budgetary outlets for Assam and Northeastern region will definitely grow.